I don't give a fuck about a Bottega fucking pants. It's a Chanel. I thought so, my nigga. Bitch, go. The fuck? Ugly ass bitch. Bitch, I ain't your fucking boyfriend, motherfucker. Fuck wrong with you? Like I was saying, bro. New year? Same me. I don't give a fuck. Talking about, I hate people like be like, oh, new year, I'm doing different shit like that. Same me, same shit, my nigga. That is so uncensored. Just why? You know?